future.
Hypercube.
No one else would talk to Kareem.
I'm really, really appreciative for that. We are here for war. So we're here in Vegas for Health 2023. We're going to be launching Hypercube. We've been working on Hypercube for around 5 years so far. So this is a very special moment for us.
Yeah.
What is Hypercube? That's exactly why we're here. This is it's a track by Lane 8. It's one of my favorite DJs. And it's called And We Knew It Was Our Time. I've been listening to this track for 3 years now. And I always thought of this day when we launch. And I want you to listen to it. We're heading now to Health. Our first such meeting is with an investor.
All right, today, October 8th, 2023, we're in Las Vegas at the Convention Center in West Hall. As you can see on the right side, there are some of the people who will have speaker sessions at the conference. And you'll see one thing that stands out. Kareem Galil, the CEO of Mendel.ai.
Wow.
So you can see this big sign, right? It's great, huh? Here is Mendel.ai. Welcome to the future of healthcare. Wow. I don't think we really need any help today. No one's even came by the booth. It's been an hour and a half.
He's not nervous. You're nervous. He's confident in his speech. He got this. All right, let's go.
Mendelians, I was literally screaming when I saw Kareem and Benny.
Yes.
I miss you guys. I am so impressed with what you're doing. I cannot wait to see the Hypercube announcement. I miss you guys terribly, and
We miss you.
Following all of the incredible work you're doing. To
Yes,
everyone in the
yes.
office and everyone at Cairo, I'm sending you love. And all of my clinical data specialists, hey!
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah. We're making money moves. We're walking right now. Look at that.
Lane 8. That's the track to listen to. Let's go.
This is the stage right here. How cool is this? Check out this stage.
After 6 years, I'm very excited. I didn't build Jarvis, but I built Hypercube. ChatGPT, we are superior to anything out there when it comes to medical records. I want to repeat that. We are superior to anything out there when it comes to medical records. We ran 3 clinical trials against a cohort of 1,000 patients, and we basically wanted to see how many eligible patients did those systems get. One system is Hypercube, the other is obviously ChatGPT-4, and the third is Llama, an open source large language model by Facebook that is gaining a lot of popularity. It's supposed to be the second best thing after ChatGPT. I mean, we knew that we are going to outperform them.
Look at that. After announcing Hypercube, he's now talking to the media. Check that out. And
Wow, look at that guy.
Wow.
Dapper. Go Mendel, go Hypercube. Woo!
Oh, I'm pumped. I think the user interface is fantastic. I think the technology and the The capabilities are great, very simple, easy to use solution. We've really changed. I think we've hit a whole nother stride in the last 6 months. The company's far more aggressive, enthusiastic, and I think the delivery of Hypercube was a big part of that. So it's an exciting time. Proud to be a part of it. So it's great, man.
Yeah, let's go.
Great. All right, go Mendel.
I met Kareem because no one else would talk to Kareem.
Wow.
And I'm just like, okay, I'm going to try and translate what he's all about. And Kareem has something super special. He was able, because he's a doctor, because he came from what he knew and what in Egypt and what he had seen, he knew there was a problem of data. And he had such passion. And he pivoted his business about 7 amazing times. Because Kareem doesn't give up.
Yes.
And he's in a great place. He's got amazing people surrounding him right now. So go Kareem. I saw a good part of it. You know, I love seeing that guy dance. And I also think that basically you have a powerful technology now wrapped with the UX that people can understand.
Love it. Thank you so much.
Always a pleasure. Go Mendel.
Yeah.
For everyone in Mendel. So today I got to present Hypercube, and I was thinking while I was getting on stage that I get to do the fun part, like present the work and get the excitement and all of that. But you guys actually did all the groundwork for it. And I'm really, really appreciative for that.
All right, so this is the last day. We are leaving Health Conference, and so look at our booth. You know, we did an amazing job, right? Did great. We got like some big moves for Mendel in the upcoming weeks. Just get ready.